Yesterday's blast of a question. Today's question is much easier. It's adding two strings. Now these strings themselves are numbers, and at the end you want to return another string, which is the sum of both of these. Now obviously one solution says that you can just return the string of integer of num1 and int of num2. However, that is not allowed in this question. The question instead relies on much more basic way that we have done math for a long time, which says that take these strings 2 3 4 and 1 2 3, or actually let's just take this as an example, 2 3 4 plus 3. How do you find out the answer for this? So the way you do it is by considering both of them in reverse, and you'll actually start from the last element. So in this case I'm going to write here 7. Again, this is just basic math. Then 3 here and then 2 here. Pretty simple, right? That's the exact and the final answer for this solution. Okay, one more thing that we need to note, but if 9 was here, in that case you will have carryovers and remainders. So 9 plus 4 is 13, 3 is the remainder, 1 gets carried over, and this becomes 4. Pretty simple. So we'll need two things to store the answer. One is carry, and one's the answer. Carry is going to start from 0, answer is a blank string. Answer will store an actual answer. So let's return the answer here. Okay, now we'll iterate over all of these characters C1 and C2 in the zipped of num1 and num2. Again, both of these are, by the way, reversed. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay, both of them are reversed. There's also a small issue here. If you have 2, 3, 4 and 9, the reverse would actually look like this. We somehow also want to add zeros here just so that our life is easier. So we'll do fill values equals to 0. And obviously when zip, you also want to consider the longest of both of these and then fill zeros. So we'll actually call zip longest, and we'll import this iter tools import zip longest. Cool. Okay, now the time to actually build up our solution. First we'll need the x1, which is the integer representation of this character c1. Now how do you find that? It's simple. You'll take the ordinal of c1 and you will remove the ordinal of 0. Think about it, why we are using this. It should make a lot of sense immediately. It's a very obvious solution. Now we'll also need, once we have x1 and x2, we'll do x1 plus x2 plus carry. As you have seen in this case, it's once we're done with 9 and 4, 3 is the remainder, 1 gets carried over. So now it's 1 plus 3 plus 0. So this is the total sum you want to consider, and you want to take it by 10. We'll just use div mod x1 plus x2 plus carry. All of these three are integers, and it will give you the return as carry and remainder. Okay, once you have the remainder, you can just add it to the answer. In this case, it was, say, 4 plus 9 was 13, so 1 gets carried over, 3 is the remainder. Pretty simple. This now will say remainder of the string of the remainder, and then answer it. Pretty simple. One last thing, what if the number was, say, 909? In this case, there is another carryover that will come here like so. Right, so what if even after we have looped over all of these digits, there is one more carryover that's remaining at the end? So if carry remains, go ahead, add it to the answer, string of carry plus answer, and that is the solution. I'm fairly confident this will work, so I'll just submit this. Oh my god. Okay, fill values. Fine, fill value. Okay, I'll just do this now. Cool, there you go. Submit this. So yeah, pretty simple question, pretty simple solution. And yeah, if you have any questions or doubts or any more questions other than this one you want me to solve, I'm more than happy to listen to them in the comment section below. That's it.